Well, they're back in the news. We're talking about those red light cameras. A Florida state senator is pushing for the cameras to be gone altogether, even after some big changes were recently made. SNN local news reporter Amber Stidham has more on the push to put the brakes on red light cameras.
Chances are you frequently pass through a red light camera intersection and you might see the flash. Now, one Florida senator wants to see the cameras and the flashes gone for good.
I've kind of come to believe that this has really become a backdoor tax increase for many municipalities. And we see small municipalities putting these in intersections and generating thousands of tickets. And sometimes it's accounting for a huge portion of their overall budgets.
Earlier this week, Senator Jeff Brandes filed a bill to fully repeal the red light camera program in Florida. This comes just months after the last red light camera changes were passed, which put a stop to write on red tickets if the driver stops and lengthening yellow lights. Representative Greg Steube told me he'd like to see more data on the cameras since these recent changes went into effect in July.
This just happened, a couple months ago when these changes have been implemented. So I think as a preliminary matter, I would like to kind of see what will be the results of the research and the facts based on that information and those changes that we made last year.
Red light cameras were authorized through the Mark Wandel Traffic Safety Act of 2010, a Manatee County resident who died after being struck by a red light runner. Representative Steube understands how important these cameras can be, but he doesn't want to see cities and counties abuse it.
There's certain intersections in that municipality that have a history of having a high rate of traffic accidents. Well, that is where the cameras should go, not where there's just a high rate of traffic and they can get more revenue from that.
But some may not be as easily convinced.
Because the yellow lights don't stay yellow long enough, and so you never know whether you're going to get caught on a red light or if you're going to go through fine, and so you have to slam on your brakes. No, I don't like them. They're dangerous.
Nothing wrong with it. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. Stop people from running red lights.
Senator Brandes isn't alone in this. An identical companion bill will also be filed in the House. Reporting in Sarasota, I'm Amber Stidham, SNN Local News.